Let's unbox and put this wall stud finder to the test. I got this because we live in an old house that has a lot of questionable things in the walls, and I needed to know where the wood studs were and to make sure that I am not about to drill into any live wire. I spent some time researching and I went with this stud finder. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Opening it up, it has a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support. It comes with its battery. I'm always thrilled when they come with their batteries. So let's pop that battery in and take it to the wall. It's very simple to use. Hold the mode button to turn it on and off and select your mode. You have 1/2 inch depth walls, 1 inch, 1/2 inch, or you can ask it to look for metal or AC, which is power, alternating current. And it will notify you on that as well anyway. To use, select your mode and hold the button on the side. These bars will go down, it'll beep at you, and when it's done, it is calibrated to the wall you're on. You can see that red light at the top. That's warning me that there's an electrical current behind this part of the wall. I'll keep moving it slowly across, and then it suddenly starts alerting me. It says I'm on one side of a stud, and as I move, it now tells me I'm in the center of that stud, and now I've moved to the other side of the stud. And it really is that easy to use. Now I know exactly where my studs are, and I've also been warned to where electrical current may be. I can't imagine drilling in a wall without this.